Okay, oh, the sun's in the background there. Okay, so today we drove down from Grand Teton to Salt Lake City, and we thought it would be appropriate to actually go out and see the Salt Lake.
We are on the way.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
So an interesting little fact is apparently the Salt Lake is drying up. It might be gone in 5 years. And as they're getting closer and closer to the lake, there's more and more of the salt deposits mixed in with all the dirty, muddy, sandy stuff. And of course you can hear the crunchy stuff as I'm walking through. So a couple of the fun facts about the lake. It's about 15 feet deep. No, hang on, that's not right. It's about 11 feet deep of salt at the bottom of the lake. People come here from all around the world to bathe in the lake because the salt concentrations are very high, so the people end up being very buoyant. Any cuts or abrasions heal very quickly with the added salt. So yeah, just a couple of little things. Now nothing much lives in the lake apart from, you know, microorganisms. So you can come out here and you can spend all day fishing, and it'll still be better than a day at work, but you wouldn't catch anything. All right, here we are. We're right at the edge of the lake. It's taken me about 15 minutes to walk out here from where we parked the car, which is quite a long way. There's a pungent smell. Not sure what that is. I've noticed that there's some like pink algae in the water as well. But yeah, it doesn't smell particularly nice. I don't even want to put my finger in there. What about you? Go for a swim. Go on.
You don't even have to swim. All you have to do is float.
Walk on the water.
Yes.
No.
You're not safe.
No, you're right. Okay. All right, so we did our 15-minute walk to get here. We're going to do a 15-minute walk to get back. We're going to hang around. We're going to take some photographs of the sunset because apparently that's quite nice. Yes?
Well, that's what it says. We shall see.
But it really stinks out here, so we're going to go back. But yeah, don't want to touch it. I might get stink finger. All right, as ever, and always, Jaynee, the research assistant, has just let me know that the only things that live in there are brine shrimp and brine flies. I don't know what a brine fly is.
But they don't bite, apparently.
They don't bite. Oh, really? Sounds really yuck.
I haven't seen any flies.
All right. We'll take a few photographs of the sunset, pop them on after the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Okay, so this is a fish. It's a dead fish. So clearly there's fish in this lake. They might not be very good fish, but there's definitely a fish. You might not want to eat the fish, particularly the dead fish, but there's definitely a fish. So there you go. Can't believe everything you read on the internet, can you? Okay, so Jaynee's done some more research. She's found that the fish that was dead beside the lake was probably washed downstream into the lake and then succumbed to the salinity. Is that right? Right. So there you go. Mystery solved! Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.